Hey everyone, it's great to have you back on SFDC Ninja, and today I am back with one more video of Apex Trigger Scenario series. This scenario was provided by one of my subscriber and it was asked in Infosys interview. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Guys, before going to coding part, first let's understand the data model for today's scenario. So today we are going to work on two objects, case and contact. Both are in lookup relationship, and on case object we have an email field supplied email. This is all about data model. Now let's understand what exactly we are going to do today. So guys, today's requirement is, let's say a user creates a case with an email in supplied email field. Then there will be two situations. First, if there is a contact record with same email is already present in the system, then the case should get linked to that contact. Second, if there is no existing contact record present with same email, then a new contact record should get created using the same email provided in supplied email field of case. And after that, it should get linked to that case. In short, we need a trigger to make sure that each case is connected to the right contact. So this is what we need to do today. Now let's understand the approach which we are going to use for this requirement. So at first, we will store the email address from this supplied email field of case which is being created. After that, we will fetch the existing contacts with same email. If there will be existing contact present, then we will connect that case to contact. And if there will be no existing contact, then we will insert a new contact and we will connect it to case. So this is the approach that we are going to use today. I think we have been discussing theory part for quite a long time. It's time to code, so let's switch to VS Code and create our handler class. Let's name it trigger handler. Let's create a method, public static void, let's say trg method. Now guys see, triggering of our code is based on value of supplied email field, which is on case object. So we will pass a list of case as parameter in our method. So let's pass it. Let's say new case list. And in this parameter, we will pass trigger.new from our trigger. So this list is equal to trigger.new. Copy its name, apply a null check on it, and iterate over it. Let's say new case. Now our first task is to store supplied email of case record which is being inserted in a set so that we can fetch all existing contacts with the same email. For that, let's create a set first. String, let's say case email. Apply a null check on supplied email field. Not equals to null, and add it to the set. Copy the set name, paste it here, dot add. Now guys, we want that our rest of the code should be executed only if this set contains a value. I mean if there is a value in supplied email field. So what we'll do? We will apply a null check on this set, copy its name, paste it here, like this. And now we will fetch all contacts whose email is present in this set. So let's fetch it. List contact conlist select id email from contact where email is present in this set. And we will store email and its corresponding contact ID in a map. For that, let's create a map first. String ID, let's say con email map. And here apply a null check on this list. If con list is not empty, iterate over it. Copy this map name, paste it here, and let's add contact email in key and ID in value, like this. Contact email in key and ID in value. Guys, we are using this map to link email to contact ID. I mean, if we have an email, then using this map, we can easily find its corresponding contact. And in our requirement, we need to link case to contact based on email. That's why we'll be needing this map. Now guys, let's understand what we did till now. Let's say a user creates a case with some value in supplied email field. That email will be stored in this set, and using this set, we are then fetching existing contacts with same email here. And then we are storing contact's email and contact ID in a map, which will be used to connect case to contact. So this is what we did till now. Now let's iterate over this list again. Copy its name for case, let's say CS record, paste it here. Now what we will do? We will check that if there is an existing contact present or not. If there is an existing contact present, then we will connect it to case. And if there is no existing contact present, then we will create a new contact. So let's apply some checks like this. If CS record dot supplied email not equals to null, and copy this map, paste it here. This map contains the same email. So this if condition will get true if there is a contact present with same email. And if this condition will get true, then we will connect this contact to case using this map. Basically, we have contact ID in value of this map, so we will pass case email in get method to get the contact ID. Like this. CS record dot contact ID, copy this map name, paste it here, dot get, and pass the supplied email. Else, if there is no contact present, then we will create a new contact with same email like this. Contact con new contact. Let's provide a value in required field. Test case contact. Provide value in email field. And as a best practice, we cannot use DML operation inside for loop. So what we will do? We will create a list of contact like this. List contact. Let's say contact list. Copy this list name, paste it here, and add this contact in it. And here, let's insert it. Apply a null check and perform DML on it. But guys, it is not connected to case yet. Also, we cannot link it to case here because till here it is not inserted. So what we'll do, we will again iterate over this new case list here for case CS. Apply null check on this supplied email field. Not equals to null. Iterate over this contact list for contact, let's say con obj. Apply another check that if supplied email of case is same as contact email. CS dot supplied email equals to contact email. If these two are same, then we will simply link it to case like this. Contact ID equals to conobj.id. But guys, again, it is not a good practice to have nested for loops. So to remove for loop inside for loop, we will use map. Let's create another map here. String contact email to contact map. Copy this map name. And here in this map, We will put the new contact record which is being inserted and its email also, like this. Dot put con dot email comma con. Guys, we are not putting ID of contact in this map like we did here because in Salesforce, ID is generated after the record gets saved to database. But here, the contact record is not in the database. That's why we cannot store ID of it. Now here, we need to do the same thing that we did here. So copy it and paste it here. Also change the map name, change the variable also, save it and deploy it to org. Okay, we are getting error. Contact to ID. Okay, I forgot to provide the ID. Let's provide it, save it and deploy it again. Now it is successfully deployed. We have our handler class ready. Now let's create a trigger. Let's say case trg. A trigger will be on case object with before insert event. Why before insert? Because we need to modify the same object which will execute our trigger. I mean we need to link case to contact before it gets saved to database. So we already have before insert here. Let's write case here. Apply a check to call our handler class method only on before insert like this. Trigger.is before and trigger.is insert. Copy our handler class name, paste it here, method name, and pass trigger.new. Save it and deploy it to org. It is successfully deployed. We have our code ready. It's time to see it in action. So let's go to our org. We have this contact, copy its email. Now first we will try to create a case using this email. Click on new, select case origin, provide the same email in this. And now if our code is correct, then this case will get linked to this contact. Click on save. So guys, as you can see that this case get linked to that contact, which means our trigger is working fine for one condition. Now let's test it for second condition, which is if there is no existing contact present with same email. So let's create a case and provide a random email, random@email.com. Click on save. Here, as you can see that our new contact has been created and that contact is related to this case, which means our trigger is working fine. That's it for today guys, and I'll be back with more interesting trigger scenarios. Thank you and keep watching.